Hello, everyone. Welcome to English 1B. This is our Fast Track 2 class for the spring 2024 semester. So in this video, I am going to do a little tutorial of the class, a little tour of the class so that you can see where everything is and explain how the class will work. So when you log into Canvas from your dashboard, you'll click on our class, and this is what you will see. This is the home page. So if you've taken a course at JP before and used Canvas in the past, this might look a little bit different. I do not use modules. So you can see over here, that's not visible to you, but I don't use modules. I use pages. So this is formatted a little bit more like a website. So on the front page, we have some buttons that you can click. You can click on the syllabus and books page, quick links, or resources. And then I will always tell you what week it is with the dates. You have an option to click the link here. And then below, you can click on each one of these images, which will take you to the corresponding weeks. And there are 8 weeks in the fast track courses, and things move very quickly, which is something that you need to keep in mind. So let's start. You can click on the syllabus and books page. Here you will find a copy of the course syllabus, which you should also have gotten a link to in the email that I sent out. So if we click on that, it's going to take you to a Google Doc with all of the information for our class. And part of your assignment this first week is to read thoroughly through this entire document. I will be recording a video that will be posted Monday evening, and I will walk you through the syllabus and read it, explain it, and go into a little bit more detail about everything. But this is it in a nutshell, with the course schedule, tentative course schedule at the very end. So for this class, there are no required books. All of our reading will be done through links to web pages or PDFs. Everything will be available online, provided through links here or documents here. For our textbook, we're going to be using this English Composition 2 by Lumen Learning. So if you click on that, it will take you to our primary. Actually, I'm sorry, this is the wrong link, so I'm going to have to switch that. But there are a couple different, I do pull some articles from this, the rhetorical methods based text, but primarily I use the other English Composition 2 text. So sometimes during these videos, I discover things that are incorrect that I need to fix. And so when you watch this video, what you see might look a little bit different than what you saw in the video, because I've edited and changed and fixed things. Okay. So there's a little note here that will make more sense once we talk about the active reading assignment. And when in doubt, if you have questions, you can always read the syllabus. And of course, I am here at any time to help you, to answer your questions. So please don't hesitate to reach out to me. All right, the next thing here we have is quick links. So this is just a one-stop page for useful links. So there is my website, my YouTube channel where all of these videos will be posted, my office hours, which I have just a couple office hours scheduled for this semester, Wednesday, March 27th, and Monday, April 22nd. So I'm an adjunct professor, so I only get a couple office hours. We have the major essays and writing assignments listed here, extra credit options, and then just some miscellaneous helpful links. All right, finally, back to the home page, you can click on resources, and here there are resources for specifically this class, MLA, formatting, writing, such as like grammar resources, the Purdue Online Writing Lab, which has all sorts of great information for you, a link to the Success Center, and then library services and resources. You do not have any supplemental learning requirements for this class. Sorry, that's another thing I need to fix here. So that's only for the English 1A class. Okay, and sorry, I didn't even go down on that page. There are some other resources just about online classes and then the Chaffey College campus resources. Okay, so let's jump right into the week 1 page. Each week you will have assignments due on Friday and Monday. So every week that will be the same except for the last week of class, which we'll talk about momentarily, but you're always going to have assignments due on Friday and Monday. So each week you need to read carefully through the week's page so you know exactly what to do. And then you can always message me if you have any questions. I did want to mention, though, that when you are on the homepage, you'll see things like coming up. So this will list the upcoming assignments that you need to complete, but you cannot rely on this to tell you everything you need to know. You need to be scrolling down and clicking on the weekly page because I will be telling you a lot more information and including other things that are not going to be listed on that little summary sheet there. Okay, so each week I will generally be posting a video. You can watch that, which I recommend you watch that first. I will often answer questions that you might have in that video. So especially if you have questions, please make sure you watch the weekly videos first before messaging me. Okay, so if you're watching this video, you've already completed this first step here. And the next step is the syllabus and books page, which we just talked about. You need to read the syllabus thoroughly and or watch the video that I will be posting tomorrow, Monday evening. You can find a special hidden Easter egg in the syllabus to get 3 extra credit points. So keep that in mind. The next item you'll need to do is to read the communication plan. This basically just describes how you can contact me, how I will be in contact with you this semester, and how you will be communicating with your classmates. Next is for you to read the critical thinking page. So English 1B is an advanced composition and critical thinking class. So this is an extremely important element of this class, and you'll be expected to exhibit critical thinking in your essays. Okay, next, number 5 is to read and watch everything in the active reading assignment. And then you're going to submit your answers to the reflection questions that are at the bottom of this assignment here. So there are 5 sections to this page. Please read each section, including infographics, and watch all videos. You can answer the questions that are in section 5 in a separate document, and then upload that to this assignment for credit. So the first section is called What is Active Reading? How to annotate. What is annotation and what does that look like? So there is a transcript of the video here if you would like to read that as well. A little infographic here. A video about how to take notes, specifically using what's called an evidence interpretation log. You don't have to use this if you would like to take notes, but it's just an option for you. All right. And then how to complete and submit annotations or notes. So for most of the readings for this class, you will need to complete and submit annotations or notes for the readings. So this describes how you can do those things. This CAM scanner app, which can come in handy if you are annotating by hand or taking notes by hand. And then the self-reflection questions are here at the bottom. So you'll answer these questions and submit that for credit. Okay, back to the week 1 page. We were on number 5. Okay, next, number 6, introductions discussion. First, you're going to need to read the discussion board guidelines. Just general guidelines for contributing to the discussions in this class, sample posts and replies, and just an example of what a good reply looks like. And then you are going to participate in the introductions discussion. This is just a general, easy discussion. My apologies, the dates are incorrect. You're going to reply by Friday, March 22nd, and then, post by Friday, March 22nd, and reply by Monday, March, what is it, 25th. So this is the course schedule on the syllabus, and this has got everything listed here. I know it looks like a lot. However, a lot of these things are very short and easy assignments. And at the same time, we only have 8 weeks to cover an entire semester's worth of work. So the workload is more each week. So that is something that you need to keep in mind because this class moves fast and you need to make sure that you are submitting assignments on time. If not, it's very easy to get very far behind and have little chance of catching up. I won't say no chance, but it's hard. It's hard to catch up if you fall behind because the workload is pretty heavy each week. There's a lot of reading, a lot of writing, multiple different assignments and things for you to be doing. We're going to be reading from the Lumen Learning web pages. We're going to be reading some different essays and important texts. And then you're also going to be working on your essays throughout. Generally, in a full semester class, these things are spread out a lot more. But in an 8-week class, it's got to all be packed in there. So please keep that in mind. Okay, number 7 is next. You're going to read the types of claims page. So in this class, you'll be writing 3 major essays, and that link is broken. Another thing I need to fix. So 3 main essays. You're going to have a claim of fact, which is the first one, a claim of value, and a claim of policy. So this page is going to describe each type of claim, give you some examples of what those look like, and then there's going to be a short 8-question quiz at the end of that page. Then you're going to need to read the assignment page for this first essay, the claim of fact. And thank goodness this link works. Okay, this took me all the way down. There is a video here that I've recorded for in a past semester that you can watch that walks you through this essay. You're going to choose a conspiracy theory to research. So conspiracy theories are claims of fact. So you're going to choose one, maybe one that's popular right now, or one that has caught your attention at some point, or one that you'd like to kind of debunk or prove. Either way, you're going to choose one to research. And I just really want to encourage you to choose a topic that interests you. You have a choice for all of the essays in my class. Sometimes I'll confine it a little bit like this. I'll give you kind of a general topic from which you can choose. But I really want you to be researching and writing about things that are of interest to you, that matter to you, that you care about, because what's the point of writing if you don't care about the topic? Okay, so you'll read through all of this so that you know exactly what is expected of you. There are a few examples from past students down here. So generally for big assignments, I will include student examples at the bottom just so that you can see what a final product, a good final product looks like. And then finally, there is an extra credit opportunity, which will go towards your participation grade. You can follow my educational account on Instagram. I am not super active on there, but I do post helpful things from time to time. So there's a link there. All right, so that's everything you need to do by Friday, this Friday, March 22nd. Everything should be due before midnight. My late work policy is in the syllabus. So we can get to that. All right, so the next due date will be Monday, March 25th, which will technically also be the start of week 2. you're going to need to download the Canvas student app and submit a screenshot to show me that you have downloaded it. If you don't have a smartphone or can't download the app for some reason, please just reach out to me and we can figure that out. Okay, Canvas profile picture, please. Over here, if you don't have a profile picture, it's just going to show me a little gray person. And I would like to see a picture of you so I can see who you are. But if you aren't comfortable with posting a picture of yourself, you can choose something that you feel best represents you. Sometimes students will use a picture of their pet or maybe a picture of your favorite hobby or something like that. Okay, next, number 3, you're going to need to read and submit annotations or notes, which is described in more detail in that active reading assignment for the Module 1, asking questions articles. So you'll click on the first one there. This is the actual, let me click on this and just show you, this is what the text that we will be using looks like. And so this first article is basically just an introduction, just introducing you to the topic. You can click next, and that will take you to the next article that's listed there, but you need to make sure, sometimes I don't include all of the articles in a module, so make sure that whatever the topic, the title of the article is here aligns with the next topic article in the assignment. So again, super short. And then you'll get some longer ones. So everyday research, a little bit longer. And click next. Everyday research, yes, that's one. Discourse communities, and so on. So you can annotate, which means that you use this actual text. You can experiment with different annotation softwares. I've also had students, they will kind of do a combination. I think Google Docs, actually, some students use Google Docs to annotate. And then you can also take notes. And some students will even take screenshots of certain things and then insert those pictures into their notes. So you can get creative with it. There's a whole lot of different ways that you can complete these assignments. So you'll take annotations or notes and then submit them to that assignment. There's also another annotations or notes assignment. This one is very short, but this is more to prepare you for the topic proposal. This is from that other text there. So choosing a manageable research topic, just watch that video. Sorry, where am I? And then there's another article here called Steps in Developing a Research Proposal, which this is a slightly longer argument. There are some exercises here. You do not need to do those exercises as it says here, because you're going to be doing something similar for the claim of fact topic proposal, which is down here. Okay. So once you're done with those two, you'll probably be in a good position to complete the claim of fact topic proposal. So we'll take a look at that next. And unfortunately, that is not here. Let's see. Okay, here it is. I apologize for all these broken links. I've got to go back and fix them. Okay, so claim of fact topic proposal. There is a list of directions for you. And I've also included a template just to make things easier. So you can come up here to file, you can make a copy of this, make it your own, fill in your information here, and you're going to list 3 to 5 topics. Choose one of those topics to write a paragraph about. Write a main research question. Write 5 sub-questions relating to your topic, and then write a working thesis or a rough draft of your thesis statement. And that is all explained here as well. Here is a image that just gives some ideas for questions that you can be asking about your topic. However, please keep in mind that these questions are just general ideas and guidelines and that you should be tailoring these questions to fit your topic specifically. So, for example, let's say I'm going to write my conspiracy theory essay about where is Kate Middleton? That is a prominent, popular conspiracy theory floating around the interwebs right now. So we might ask, like, who makes decisions about what is posted on the, Prince and Princess of Wales Instagram page? Because there was a picture posted there that created a lot of questions, right? So who's really making those decisions, or who is um, who is this harmful to? Who is the discussion of Kate Middleton's health harmful to, right? Maybe it's mostly harmful to her. So, but wherever you see this, you're going to be inserting something that is specific to your topic. So I hope that makes sense. Okay. Oh, gotta go back a couple times. All right. So that was down there. You're going to reply to two classmates in the introductions discussion, which we already took a look at up here. And then we have another assignment. So you're going to watch this Paradigms and Perceptions lecture. So go ahead and click play there. And then you are going to complete this Paradigms activity. So you're going to tell a friend or family member a story that you heard in the lecture, and then write a short paragraph about that experience. Submit that. So this is all due by Monday, March 25th before midnight. And then week 2 is not published yet. It's not available yet, but you can get an idea for what is coming here. And some of these assignments are already available to you, so you should be able to view them on the, let's go back here. There is also a syllabus page. This is actually slightly different than the syllabus page that you can click on from the homepage. It shows you a calendar over here, and then how all of the assignments are weighted, which is also in the actual syllabus. And then there are all of the assignments listed here. So you can see some of them you can already click on from here. However, the bulk majority of them I have not edited the due dates for yet. So those will be populated soon. Okay. Well, I think that is it for this video. I hope that that makes things clear for you. I know that it's a lot to take in this first week. I would recommend that you really focus on managing your time, break it up, do little pieces as you can, right? Knock out a few things each day. Do not wait till the last minute to do it all, because you'll get behind, especially with this class, the pace of this class. So you can do it though. I know you can. So don't be discouraged. Don't get overwhelmed. It's going to be okay. And whatever questions, concerns that you might have, please feel free to reach out to me. You can send me a message here through the Canvas inbox. You can also email me directly. And I usually respond within the day. Sometimes it might take me a day up to 2, especially on the weekends. I try not to let it go that long, but sometimes life happens. But that said, I'm here for you. I'm here to help you. I want you to succeed in this class. I want you to pass this class. So yeah, get going. Get into it. Start working on the assignments and let me know if you have any questions. All right, I think that's it, and I will talk to you all soon. Okay, bye-bye.